on Monday declined to entertain a petition filed by 13 individuals seeking intervention against the deletion of their names from the voter list during the special intensive revision process in West Bengal. A bench comprising Chief Justice Surya and Justice Joymalya Bagchi termed the plea premature and directed the petitioners to first approach the appellate tribunals. The petition alleged that the Election Commission was deleting names without following due process and that appeals against such deletions were not being heard in time, leaving thousands of voters in uncertainty. Senior advocate D.S. Naidu, appearing for the Election Commission, informed the court that around 30 to 34 lakh appeals are currently pending, with each tribunal handling over 1 lakh cases. Taking note of this, the bench said tribunals must be allowed to function without strict timelines being imposed and cautioned against overburdening the system. On voter exclusion, Justice Joymalya Bagchi observed that unless a large number of voters are excluded, election results cannot be interfered with. He further explained that if the winning margin is more than 10%, the result may not be affected, but a smaller margin could require closer judicial scrutiny. Chief Justice Surya also noted that court intervention at this stage could open the door to widespread challenges over voter inclusion and exclusion, potentially disrupting the electoral process. The court emphasized that the right to vote is a fundamental pillar of democracy and directed the petitioners, including Qureisha Yasmin and others, to approach the appellate tribunals instead of the Supreme Court at this stage. This concludes the Supreme Court update regarding the special intensive revision process in West Bengal.